Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zendrop dashboard for sourcing and order tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Zendrop login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, locate the email field. Enter the email address associated with your Zendrop account. Next, find the password field. Type in your password carefully. After filling in both fields, look for the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Zendrop dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. On the dashboard, you will see options for sourcing and order tracking. To source a product, find the Sourcing tab in the navigation menu. Click on the Sourcing tab to explore available products. Use the search bar to find specific items if needed. Once you find a product you'd like to source, click on it for more details. Review the product information before adding it to your cart. When ready, click the Add to Cart button. To track your orders, return to the dashboard. Locate the Orders section in the navigation menu. Click on the Orders section to see your order history. Here, you can view the status of each order. Select an order for more detailed tracking information. You are now set to use Zendrop for sourcing and order tracking effectively. Make sure to log out after you complete your tasks for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.